equation, or we have this problem. So first we need to do is the multiplication. So or the m dash. So m stands for multiplication or times, d is the division or divide. So m is stands for multiplication or times, d for stands for division or divide, a for addition or plus, and s for subtraction or minus. So ano ang nauna sa inyo? So ang m, ang multiplication. So lagi natin, we need to one na the first is the multiplication and the division. Next is the addition and the subtraction. So first, negative plus or times these two. So 12. So answer is 8 plus 12 plus 8. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Equal to negative 15 plus 20 is 5. So this is our final answer. Next is this. So we see that negative sign. So divide first to divide this 2. So 5 or negative 50 divided by 5 is equal to 5, 10. Negative 10. Negative 10 plus negative 10 plus negative 7. So same, so in addition, same sign, so you copy the sign. 10 plus 7 is 17. So the final answer is negative 17. So this one, to try to answer. So we see that negative 30 divided by 5 is equal to positive 6 or 6, and plus negative 6. So 6 plus negative 6 is equal to 0. So I hope that you learned something from today, and thank you for watching, and please, thank you for watching.